today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this, I'm gonna cut a piece of Quaking Aspen. This is a aspen tree that grows around here. Soft wood is not really good for burning for firewood. I have a wood lathe, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut kind of like what would be a firewood round out of it, and then I'm gonna take it into my lathe and I'm gonna work it into like a bowl. So I'm just gonna show you that process. So here it goes. So this is what we're going to start off with. By the way, this was some of the wood that was taken out during the making of this trail. So there you go. These are little bowls made out of those rounds of the Quaking Aspen. I found using the aspen works really well for this because it's a softer wood, and I've had pretty good luck with doing this when it's green, and then I found that it really doesn't check or crack when it dries, so it works out pretty well. But anyway, this are they still need a little sanding, and I normally would use some mineral oil. I like the food safe mineral oil, but I mean, chances are these would just be ornamental anyway. It wouldn't be something you'd be eating out of, but it's kind of a kind of a neat way to utilize that Quaking Aspen that was, like I said, it's not really good for firewood, so would have otherwise gone to waste. And it's kind of fun to do. So yeah, so they're definitely not perfect, and they need a little bit of work on the inside and outside. And I could have sanded them more on the lathe, but decided to go ahead and cut them off. And you can actually also oil or stain them on the lathe too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time.